Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, if you've been following my video, you will know I'm an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online, and I'm still training people on how to make money on Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing is just selling a particular product for a company and getting commission for each product you sell. And as many products you sell, that is how your commission is going to be also. So I've been training people on how to make money online on Clickbank affiliate marketing, and this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine, as you can see on the screen. These are excellent results. So my software works by gathering leads online from search engines and promoting this organic lead to your affiliate profile or your affiliate link so that they can buy your product and you can get commission from it. And my software will promote your product to thousands of organic leads daily so that you can get traffic, you can get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Also, my software is not only applicable to Clickbank alone, but you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like Davizu and the likes. So my software is all for sale now, and if you want to get the software and start earning big like the one you can see on the screen, you can contact me on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Contact me on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Remember, if you not learn, you won't earn. So learn today on how to make money on affiliate marketing platform. And remember, you don't need to have any previous knowledge on Clickbank affiliate marketing before you can start using my software and video course, because my video course will guide you step by step on how to use the software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. In this case, you are talking about Clickbank. So my video course contains step by step explanatory video and information on how to go by on getting sales through my software on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, so contact me today on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money on